It's a good day! 3rd of February, this is the day. Yan, ang galing ng green. Nako, welcome to our homecoming. Ay nako, under the sun, no rain. Mamaya malamig po, so bring your jackets. Lahat ng mga magrarampa, lahat na maging guwapita ng Silverde, and lahat na magpe-perform. We are here ready. Ito yung mga chairs natin, and meron din tayo sa loob, okay? So may mass tayo ng 4:30. Alright? So please go to mass early para ma-reserve yung seats natin, okay? Ayan po para relax lang po tayo. And then meron din po tayo sa labas. So again, congratulations 99 and 49ers. This is Emer the Generous of DZRH. Kaya mo yan.